Hey everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. I can't believe this year I managed to sneak in a crop in the spring of snap peas, snow peas, edible potted peas, whatever the different names of them are. I had to replant some of the thin areas, and obviously I didn't use the same seed because some of these are white. Then I come over and I got these. But the net result is, check it out. Check it out. We've got, they're green so they're hard to see, but there's a lot of them in here. I haven't gotten but one or two, literally one or two, for years. It looks like I'm absolutely going to get a harvest this time. This is awesome. So I'm going to go get myself a bowl and we're going to start doing some picking. These are the two I saw before I was trying to find. Those two beauties. Here's another one. And another one. You don't want to pull them, you want to snap them off. I got a good fingernail for that, thumbnail. So. Well, that makes my first little pick. No, it's not great. And I'm sure there's more in there, I just can't see them. But with all the flowers, this is only just a hint of what's coming. If the weather will just hold and not kill them off. I see another one right here. And another one right there. So, this is David at Grow and Eat This. Actually getting some edible potted peas. It's not many, but it's more than I've gotten the last many years all total. Here's some of the lettuce growing out of the Greenstalk right now. It's getting toward the end of April. It's getting hot, so kind of got to pick what you can pick before it bolts. Is this stuff amazing or what? Nice, nice, nice. Wow. Not sure where to start on this one. How's that for it? Look at that. These are incredible. We do a lot of things in Greenstalks, but I tell you, you just do lettuce and some herbs and strawberries, and that's all I want out of a Greenstalk. I got a garden for the rest of this stuff. I don't see any reason in pressuring it to grow things that really these little pockets are not that well designed for. That wasn't the intention. Look at this bok choy that's coming along. I'm getting so much lettuce, I'm going to have to quit picking before I'm done. Because I just got a lot of lettuce. And it just keeps on coming. Look at this. This is just from those couple of plants. As you can see, salad's going to be on the menu. And we love a salad. Some hard-boiled eggs, some chopped up ham or chicken, turkey. Outstanding. And before I close this little video out, I'm gonna come over here and show you my big surprise that I got going over here that is really, really cool. How cool is this? This is my other Greenstalk. Look at this. That one looks good. Ooh, that one looks good. That one's good. I don't know if the camera's going to show those. They can do another little half a day or something. Look at that boy. These are just look at that. Look, check this one out. Look at this. I did the top 2 pockets. By then the chart will be coming out. So when they start putting the runners out, I'll let the runners connect into the next couple pockets. And we'll be ready to go the next year. Wow, here's another one buried in here. It's ready too. That one needs a little more time. Oh, here's a guy up in here might be ready. Ooh, 2 of them. No, a little bit more. So, as you can see, now we've added strawberries to the lettuce mixture. I think I know what I'm having for lunch. Strawberries are really good on a salad. So this is David at Grow and Eat This, Lawrenceville, Georgia, 8A, 7B. Getting toward the end of April. The lows are in the 60s, highs are in the 80s. Good time to be finishing up the spring and getting the summer stuff in the ground. Wow, how did I miss that one? Getting the summer stuff in the ground. So we'll have some more adventures here shortly. Thank you for watching.